Hi there! With this course you can learn to master all parts of the latest version of Bootstrap 4. You'll also learn how to create 14 common web templates and 6 complete projects. A landing page, an online forum, a blog with various blog post types, a knowledge base, a resume and CV page, a survey with questions and results, and a small business website with 5 different pages, including a contact page. My name is Jeppe Schaumburg Jensen, and I'm a front-end developer from Copenhagen, Denmark. I currently work at Isobar, a global digital web agency with 70 locations across 45 markets. In addition to close to 20 hours of video-based lectures, you'll also find 70 coding exercises, 5 quizzes, and a custom Bootstrap 4 learning kit with a reference and a practice section, which you can download and use when you're learning Bootstrap 4. At the end of this course, you'll know how to create fluid and responsive layouts, how to structure all kinds of content, how to build all of the 21 components, how to use all of the 15 utilities, how to change the default Bootstrap 4 styling with Sass, how to work with JavaScript triggers, options, methods, and events, how to build 14 common web page templates, how to build 6 full and customized projects. I designed this course for people with basic HTML skills who want to learn how to use Bootstrap 4 to build anything from quick prototypes to responsive and advanced websites. My goal is to make this the best course about Bootstrap 4, and I promise to update it with more coding exercises, templates, and full projects. Enroll now to start learning or watch some of the preview lectures if you want to know more. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.